Did you know that 77% of employers struggle to predict through candidates who will succeed in a role? Hi, I'm Angel, and today we'll unveil how machine learning can solve this $4 trillion hiring problem. Using real candidate data, we've identified the hidden patterns that drive job placement success. Let's dive in. Companies face a perfect storm. Bad hires cost 30% of an employee's salary, while top talent slips through the cracks. Meanwhile, job seekers waste months applying blindly. 75% of resumes are rejected before human eyes ever see them. Our goal: use data to bring transparency to this broken system. We've analyzed 200 plus candidate profiles with features like test scores, work experience, and specializations. The biggest insight: candidates with work experience are 30% more likely to get hired, even over those with higher GPAs. And here's the shocker: MBA scores matter twice as much as undergrad grades. Now, you might wonder what factors actually move the needle in hiring. Our correlation analysis reveals some surprises. While many focus on GPAs, the data shows employment test scores are 22% more predictive of placement than academic grades. And here's what's fascinating: work experience correlates more strongly with hiring than even MBA specializations. Now, we've tested three models head to head, and those are XGBoost, Random Forest, and Logistic Regression. So, Random Forest excelled at identifying true talent with a 91% F1 score, but XGBoost was the overall winner. 90% AOC means it ranks candidates correctly 9 out of 10 times. And if we look at the ROC curve, which dominates the chart, that's predictive power you can trust. Now, these are just some samples of the top factors that influence placements, feature importances that we got through Random Forest. Now, let's go for some key insights on all the models that we just learned about. First is XGBoost. XGBoost is the best all rounder. Our XGBoost model delivers the strongest overall performance. It correctly identifies 95% of placeable candidates while maintaining 82% precision. This means only two qualified candidates slip through and just nine unqualified candidates get through. For HR teams, this balances talent acquisition with hiring quality. Now, if we go to logistic regression, do not dis- kindly do not dismiss it. While simpler, it matches XGBoost's precision and trails recall by just 2%, which suggests that firstly, academic or test scores have strong linear relationships with placement, and secondly, perfect for quick first pass candidate screening. Thirdly, Random Forest, it underperforms here. Its 11 false positives mean more unqualified candidates get hired. This stems from overfitting to noise in academic records and less calibrated probability outputs than XGBoost. Now, based on these results, we recommend XGBoost for final hiring decision, logistic regression for initial resume screening, and we would highly recommend to avoid Random Forest for this specific use case due to bad, um, higher risk. Now, some insights would be for job seekers: prioritize work experience, even internships count. Uh, ACE employment tests, they are 85% more predictive than your degree. And for employers, we would say weight MBA scores heavier and look beyond degrees. Now, the key takeaways or a final conclusion would be: we've proven ML can predict hiring success with 90% accuracy, but this is just the start. Want to test your own profile? You can kindly visit us on our website or contact us on the email IDs. Together, let's build a future where talent never goes unnoticed. Thank you.